Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the media card reader, loosen the 2 screws on the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch the front cover to remove it. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the assembly out of the system. Identify the disk drive cage and disconnect the cables. Remove the screw and lift the cage out of the system. Flip the cage over and disconnect the cables to fully remove the cage from the system. Identify the media card reader and remove the 2 screws securing it. Lift the card reader out of the system. To reinstall the media card reader, place it back in the system and install the 2 screws to secure it. Place the disk drive cage back in the system and reconnect the cables. Flip the cage over and install the screw. Reconnect the cables. Place the hard drive assembly in the system and install the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the front bezel and secure the side cover by tightening the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.